Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? Welcome to the Black Financial Channel. I'm only in here for a couple of minutes. I actually have a meeting right now, but I really like talking to you guys about what's going on with the economy. So, some of you may not even be in the live by the time I end this because I wanted to come in and give you an update on the economic news. Today was a very big day on an economic front. You had really good GDP numbers. GDP, gross domestic product, the growth of the economy went up by about 2.9% this quarter, which is pretty strong, right in line with expectations. You know, all this talk about a recession might be much ado about nothing, at least so far. So far, the recession that everybody's been talking about has not really arrived, or if it did arrive, it was very temporary and transitory. Also, you did have a decline in housing prices, which is actually a good thing. On one hand, it slows down the economy and the economic growth a little bit, but it also says inflation could be getting more under control. The problem, though, is that even though inflation is much lower this time around, is still above the 2% target of the Federal Reserve. So the Fed is aiming for 2% inflation long term. So they're pretty far away from that. So they're probably going to continue with the rate hikes. They just won't be as dramatic. And these rate hikes that have been slowing your stocks down, I guarantee you, in my view, I believe they're going to end at some point, and that's when you're going to really see a rally in the stock market. Also, last but not least, jobless claims actually went down, so fewer people are looking for jobs, and there's jobs everywhere, and that's another good thing. So, despite the fact that there have been massive layoffs in the tech industry, the economy at whole, at large, is pretty strong. Consumer spending is very strong. There are a lot of good things to look forward to in this economy. So let's hope it continues, and I hope that it also plays well in your stocks. The stock market went up just a little bit today. A lot of that downside was the result of kind of an overreaction from earlier in the week, and just keep being consistent, and I guarantee it's going to work out for you. So I want to say hello to El Haj and Didi. I see you two came in, and some of your other some others are coming in, but I actually have to go, guys. But I just wanted to come in and make that quick little note with you. Two things. Number one, tonight I'm going to do a free event for Black Business School students on stock options. If you've ever had an interest in generating consistent income selling stock options, it's a great way to make money. It's better than rental property. That's how I make my money. I make much higher ROI from selling stock options than I do from my rental property. And so I'm going to kind of do an overview of that tonight at 8 o'clock. If you'd like to join, just go to boycewatkins.com. You can join for free. Second of all, you guys know I have a new book called The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power. If you'd like to get a copy, you can also get a copy at boycewatkins.com. And I've got other books as well, Black American Money, stuff like that. So feel free to take a look. All right, guys, I got to get out of here. I'm late for my meeting. Love you. I'll check back in a little bit later. Please hit the thumbs up button, thumbs up, share, subscribe on your way out, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, Didi. I see you said you're registered for tonight. I can't wait to see you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.